Gemini Notebook just fixed its biggest problem. If you've been using NotebookLM, now Gemini Notebook, for a while, you probably have a pile of notebooks by now. Trust me, I've got way too many myself. With notebooks all over the place, tracking down the right one is a nightmare. Google just fixed that with collections. Think of collections like folders that let you organize your list of notebooks. Here is how to use it. At the top of your screen, you'll see collections. Hit it. Here, you can see my existing collections. To create a new one, click on Create Collection. Give it a name and select the notebooks you want to include. Hit Create, and that's it. You can now access everything inside by clicking the collection, making your scattered list of notebooks way more organized. Maybe you are teaching both history and finance. Make a collection for each. Maybe you are studying both marketing and data science. So, group them into separate collections and save your sanity. And yeah, you can also edit your existing collections. Just click the three dots on a collection and then hit Edit. Here, you can rename it or drop in more notebooks. Of course, you can also add a notebook to a collection directly. Simply click the three dots next to it and select Add to Collection. As you can see, a notebook can live within multiple collections. Handy, isn't it? This feature is available for all, but honestly, the one thing missing for me is collection-level instructions, just like ChatGPT and Claude projects, where you set guidelines or instructions once and they apply to every file in this particular project or collection in this case. But besides this, what other feature would you like to see implemented? Let Google know in the comments. Want to see more cool Gemini Notebook features beyond the basics everyone's using? Check out the video shown on your screen. Till the next time, see you.